Hello everybody, I Tushar Jain, CFO and Research Head of Ajay Astro Money Guru. Welcome all of you today on 26th October 2021. In this episode, I will discuss about my views on Indian stock markets and what all things you need to consider for next few trading days. So friends, let us first look at the global sentiments. Yesterday, in the U.S. markets, Dow's and S&P 500 closed at their record highs, and the corporate results in U.S. were also good. And if we see the S&P 500 companies, then we can see around 85% of the corporates or the companies in S&P 500 have declared better than expected results. And if we see the Asian markets are positive today. Apart from Hong Kong markets are only down. And if we look at the FIS and DIS data, then yesterday FIS net sold by around 2500 crores worth of stocks in cash market, while the DIS have bought by around 2400 crores worth of stocks in cash market. Both these figures are significant, and if we see the FIS data from past 3 trading days, they have been sold around 2000 in the range of 2500 to 3000 crores worth of stock in cash market each day. And from past 5 days, they are continuously selling in Indian markets, and from past 3 days, the domestic investors are continuously buying in cash markets. And if we see the monthly data for both FIS and DIS, they both are net sellers on the monthly perspective. FIS have net sold around 12,000 crores, more than 12,000 crores this month, while the DIS net sold around 2,500 crores this month. And despite of which, both Nifty and Bank Nifty are almost at their all-time highs. Bank Nifty is daily making its all-time highs, and Nifty is also trading almost at its all-time highs, which shows that the contribution of retail investors in Indian markets is continuously increasing, and they are now holding a respectable position in the Indian markets. Also, yesterday the Tech Mahindra results have been come, and the results were better than expected, due to which today Tech Mahindra stock is showing significant upward movement. And if we see the Nifty and Bank Nifty, Nifty is outperforming today from the Bank Nifty, and this can be seen after a few trading days, as from last few trading days, the Bank Nifty was totally outperforming from Nifty and other indices. In fact, in many cases, when the Nifty was in red, then also the Bank Nifty was up by 0.5%. But today, the Nifty is outperforming from the Bank Nifty, and Nifty is more than 0.5% up, while the Bank Nifty is struggling from red to green. So, as the numbers suggest, and also some of the banks are yet to declare their result this week. Therefore, the Bank Nifty's focus will be on those results. And now, if we see the options data, then we can see on yesterday's session, the huge call writing has been seen at the levels of 18,100, 18,200 and 18,300, which shows that huge volatility can be seen in markets. And if the Nifty crosses and sustains the level of 18,200 and 18,300, then the call writers have to run for their cover, and this may move the Nifty to another 100 to 150 points up. But if we see the Bank Nifty, since it is already outperforming from last few trading days, therefore it is expected that it may show some amount of profit booking at the higher level, so you need to be careful, especially in bank nifty, and it is advised to not to add fresh long positions in bank nifty, and rather it is advised to book your profits in your long positions. So that's all for the today's episode. These are the analysis for the today's session. I hope you liked our episode. See you in the next episode. Thank you and good day.